All right, so we found the spot. There's the bridge, and boom. All right, so the plan for today, let's take a look outside. Raining, kind of bright at the same time. I know this is like a terrible example, but you guys get the idea. I've seen a lot of pictures of people taking these beautiful, awesome shots of cities and different things. Usually they're secluded into the one small area where they're surrounded by like bokeh, which if you don't know what that is, it's basically when something is out of focus or out of your field of depth. Light sources that are kind of turned more into blurry balls. What I plan on doing is finding a nice spot downtown, maybe near the pedestrian bridge, and using this jar. How's that gonna work? Well, I don't need this and I don't need this. I just need this. My idea is to get a great photo. Probably just need 2 solid photos. One, the entire city in one shot, another one out of focus, so I can add to the background, but I still gotta make it look good. I want tons of light sources. This might be a little difficult to do during the day, but I think we can still make it work. I'm gonna be shooting with my Canon 5D. For the initial in-focus city shot, I'll probably be using my 35. And for the initial shot of this, 85, because I think it'll get it right where I want it. I think my monopod will do the trick. Okay, I love you. Bye, baby. Okay. Woo. So I definitely think we're gonna post up. Then once we get up there, we'll kind of get all of our equipment set up. I wish I had a fucking tripod, but all of this shitty monopod. I think we can still make it work. Oh, this is a sick shot. See, that's one of the problems with a monopod is it makes it hard for horizontal. That comes out good. You guys will see it right there. All right, so I'm pretty sure the easiest way to get there, there's the entrance to the bridge if you guys can see it. So we're gonna keep going straight, hit a right, and hopefully that'll get us to the bridge. There's the bridge, there's the entrance. So we just gotta get over there, up there, and then we can begin taking our pictures. So I will see you guys over there. All right, so we found the spot. Look at this, holy shit. So I like it because you can see basically all the different heights of different buildings. I'm not sure how my 85 is going to be able to pick up most of it, but I definitely want to single in on the AT&T building. So there's some people over there. I think once we have a good opening, we should get set up. All right, so we have the city down across here. I have my camera propped up. So we're at 1/125th of a second. Aperture is 2.2, ISO is at 400, and boom. Okay, I wasn't ready for that one. Let's do one just like this. I like how that looks. Right there, that's it. Go. Look at that. All right, so we got all the pictures we needed. So now we're gonna run back to the car before we get a ticket and head home and edit this shit. My day, but I sit in my lanes. Running to you that my kids were okay. She went and fell while I get it paid. Dream on my name while I sip on my drink. Doing these words that I'm flowing, I wanted these words to hit. Yeah. Then when I'm done with my drink, I'm taking my time with your bitch. Hey, tell them I started to focus. Next thing, we're gonna hop onto the computer. We're gonna take these photos and we're gonna export them into Lightroom. We're gonna do a little bit of edit. After that, we just gotta Photoshop all the final pieces together and boom, we have our photo. So we are gonna move right here. Okay, we are in Lightroom. These are the photos that I've decided to go with. I need to adjust this. This probably looks stupid. I don't care. All right, so these are the photos I decided to use out of the ones that we took. So this is gonna be our top layer of the photo, and this is going to be the image that is going to be inside of this puppy right here. And we're gonna go into develop, and we're gonna edit this. I just realized I don't have my hat on. Okay, now back to it. So I think that we have our photos put together pretty well. All right, so we're in Photoshop and we have our photos here. The only thing I've done is I have added a layer, a mask layer onto my top photo. You're going to make your photo that is blurred out, has the bokeh going on the bottom, and you want your photo that will be focused into the center on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and resize this because I want most of this inside. You see what I'm doing here? So as you can see what I was talking about, you can see where the photo is at now, and then once I take it off, all this and this from that photo is gonna be cut off. What we're gonna do, I want this changed to black. All right, so to fill this with black, we're gonna hit Command I, and that will fill that with black. I think if you're on a Windows, it's Control I. I'm not sure, I think. But once we have that in black, you want it in black because when it is in white, I'll show you. So when it's in white, you can see the photo, and when it's in black, you cannot see the photo. Basically, what we're doing is we're gonna go over to our brush tool, and once we have that, it will brush in white. I need my brush to be way bigger. So we're gonna up the size. So we're gonna start brushing this in. And boom, I give you the final product. Let me fix this. What the fuck? That's it. A couple tips. If you make a mistake, what you can do is go over here and change your brush color or your brush to black, and that way you can fix any mistakes. It's almost like your eraser. If you hold Option and then click on your mask layer, it'll bring this up and it'll basically show you where you have brushed in case you need to make any strong adjustments. But just to get out of that, just hold Option, click again, and boom. So that is how you do a photo inside of a out of focus bokeh photo. I'm not sure. There's probably an actual term for this. I'll probably know by the time I put the video out and you guys will see the title. But yeah, so if you guys have any more questions, I mean, you can't see my face. That's okay. If you guys have any more questions or, you know, not quite sure about something during the tutorial, just let me know in the comments down below and I will try my best to answer all the questions. There might not be any questions. I didn't consider that. I just look dumb now. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you found it helpful, a like would be really nice. But if you guys don't want to, you don't have to, but it would help me out a ton. I'm trying to reach 10K by 2021. If you guys decide to do a photo like this and you want me to check it out, be sure to tag me on Instagram. I'll put my handle right there. So be sure to tag me. I definitely want to see if you guys can make something similar to this. It was a ton of fun to do. Very unique, very different. Most of the time when I go out and do photo shoots or street photography, you know, it's like a handful of different pictures, but I literally went to take 2 photos. So it felt weird. It definitely a lot more time on the editing side of things, apart from, you know, the actual photo part. You know, if I do a photo session, it's usually an hour or 2 of taking photos and then maybe 30 minutes to an hour of editing. You know, if you guys like these kind of how-to tutorials type things, let me know also in the comments. Just let me know everything in the comments. Just say something in the comments. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment. Again, I think that will do it for this video. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.